Hi, it's Imogen Lamport from Inside Out Style, coming to answer your colour and style questions. The first one comes from Eva. Can I ask about the principle of volume? I'm trying to understand this. You often say in your videos that we only have to remember to add volume to either upper or lower body. When I think about body proportions and body shapes, is what we are trying to do create visual balance, e.g. a V shape needs volume on the lower body. Those who are balanced on upper and lower, how do they cope? If they wear a voluminous jumper, do they need voluminous fabric on the lower body? So this is actually a different concept. So when we're thinking about the principle of volume, it's really that we don't want to wear two voluminous garments at the same time, because otherwise you swamp the body. Now, which half of your body you choose to wear a voluminous garment on may be based on body shape if you have an unbalanced shape. So either an A or a V shape, with either the V shape who has a broader shoulders may not want to wear, more volume on the top versus, and they may want to wear a more fitted top and a bit more volume on the bottom to create balance there. And a pear or an A shape may want to wear a bit more volume on the top to create balance with their bottom half. But you don't have to do that, because you might have, on an A shape, you could have a flared skirt, which will work really well. And so that is a garment with volume. And then you want a fitted top. So you may just want some horizontal lines around the shoulders or a little bit of a shoulder pad, but that's not a voluminous garment. So a fitted garment or a jacket or something that's got a little bit of structure to it, that's going to create some shoulder balancing, is not a voluminous garment. So when we're thinking of a voluminous garment, it's something like this, which has got a lot of fabric in it. So today I've got big voluminous blouse on, so I've got slim pants on. So that's creating that balance. So otherwise, if I was wearing a wide leg pant with a lot of fabric in it, then that would overwhelm the volume. Now, some people, if they're very tall, they can get away with wearing two garments with volume, but most of us aren't like that. So when you are thinking about this, where do I add the volume? You can also wear two fitted garments. There's no reason not to. It's just more about not swamping your body with too much fabric. So when we're talking voluminous, we're really talking about how much fabric is in the garment. So a garment with a lot of fabric, with a lot of volume to it, not overwhelming you. So you can choose to wear volume on your top, volume on your bottom, but you can balance your body using horizontal lines, vertical lines, all those design elements that I talk about on the blog. You don't need volume to that, but you can use volume if you want to. So if you want to balance, so if you've got broad shoulders and you're a V shape and you want to balance, this is, your upper body, you can wear a more voluminous skirt and a fitted top. That will work, but so will wearing a tunic and a slim pair of pants, as long as the tunic kind of ends around the thigh and creates a horizontal line around the thigh. That can also create volume, and it doesn't have to be a really voluminous tunic. It could be a fairly fitted tunic. It's really just about where those horizontal lines go. They create the balance when we're thinking about balance. So hopefully that helps you understand this concept. So they're actually two kind of more different concepts, and it's then how you want to use them for your body.